100K month. Step by step on my vision. This is the biggest manifestation you will ever see in your life. This is exactly how I'm going to do this before I'm 30. Let's eat, boy. Rise and shine, baby boy. We got a great one. Turning your dreams into reality does not come from thin air. I promise you. It comes from AI. Yeah, ChatGPT. And I've created a step-by-step proof from other resellers that my business model is the best business model out here. And it's recession-proof and will change the trajectory of my family and other people around the world. This is bigger than me, and this is bigger than us. This is my world. While I was asleep, here's what sold. These Under Armour shoes sold for 14. These Aldo shoes sold for 11. These FootJoy shoes sold for 12. This Harley Davidson jacket sold for 25. This window deflector sold for 22. These Levi jeans sold for $12.60. These Nortiv shoes for 16. And we have a possible buyer for this wolf oven. Yesterday, my wife asked me, damn, nigga, you not going to a job? And my biggest insecurity used to be letting people down that I love by just telling them to trust the process. It's all going to work out. Like, no, nobody wants to hear that shit. So what I knew what I needed to make is the execution plan. What I needed to make was an execution plan so you could see exactly what I see. I am not no reseller. I am an operator. I am a boss. I am a getter, not no flipper. Mywrld Distributions. Boom. Okay, cool. Now you're wondering what the hell we sell. Tools and electronics, work apparel, small appliances, kitchen appliances, not forgetting big appliances. Now, value we provide is repair and refurbishment. We always check our products. This is bigger than me. The standard for myself and the company is so high that the customer is always the priority. You hear me? We don't settle for less. We don't do no bullshit. We always provide the best results for the customer. What the ideal customer to us? Homeowners, tradesmen, families, and hard workers. And the shit ton of inventory we have, we're selling it. What are we selling it on? Okay, let me tell you, right? eBay, Whatnot, Poshmark, Amazon, website. Pretend you can see this, but these are the platforms that we're selling on. We don't play around. I want this to be as big as possible, go worldwide, not just local. I want to be able to channel this passion and this energy that helps somebody else. You feel what I'm saying? This is bigger than me, and this is way bigger than us. Supply. Number one is build relationships. Pretend you can see that, right? I didn't even say shit on this. In a business, you have to build connections. You have to know how to communicate, okay? Contracts and supply agreements, right? Right here. B-stock contracts. We hire employees to source for us. Cold calling appliance stores. Relationships with property managers so we can remove their units, along with clothing rag houses, much more. I'm trying to tell you, build relationships or stay mediocre. Simple as that. What else do you offer? One-to-one coaching. I'm not looking to be mediocre. I'm going to be the best. You hear me? I will be able to build your store from zero, nothing. That's a hell of a skill, huh? I promise you, this is why I'm so passionate. So much opportunity in this business model that I can go in whatever lane and still be successful. I don't have to do none of this shit. Shit just doesn't feel like work for me. Being able to help somebody like my mama or my girl, it makes me feel good. So imagine if I put that energy out into something I'm also passionate in. You feel? Boom! What else we offer? Curated lots. Pretend you can see this too, because I know you can't, but we offer wholesaling, right? It's all worth it because you're still maintaining a relationship and trust. And if you make it work, you make it work. Opportunity with wholesaling is limitless. Boom! What's next? 50-50 consignment programs. Particularly tradesmen that don't want their stuff, give it to me. 50-50. Let's eat. All right, so just like wholesaling, we got pre-selling kits, okay? None of this stuff is stuff that you dabble in immediately. Everything I'm talking about right now takes a serious amount of time, probably 30 years. I don't give a damn. Pay me 20 grand a month. What the fuck am I talking? Like, Doug, what the hell is in your warehouse? You see, most resellers have big ass warehouses, but they always niche down. What I'm shooting for is to niche up, consistently provide value and variety to the customer. But to be honest, most people will say it's insane because I'm doing too much at once. In a business like this, you have to do one thing at a time, master that, then go to the next pillar, then the next pillar, then the next pillar. So much things to learn and so much things to do. You can't get caught up in the shiny object syndrome. You have to get caught up in the boring tasks day to day to push the needle forward. Okay, something else I never spoke on is fast turnover. Most people have a big ass warehouse with slow items, but they're bangers. What we have is fast turnover items that require a volume. The slow shit does not work. Boom. Now back to the warehouse. What we offer is scheduled B2B pickups, a refurbishing area. For any slow moving items, we pretty much open up our business to become local for once a week and have anybody come in, buy per pound. You scared? You. With this type of business model, it's not just reselling, it's building an operation. Most people are scared because they're scared to take the risk. It's a lot of financial headaches you have to learn. It's a lot of customer service you have to learn. It's a lot of communication and skills you have to learn, and inventory management you have to learn. In order to make everything work, you have to build the correct systems. You can't just wing everything thinking it's just gonna be sweet. Fuck no, every day is a struggle. Boom! Social media, baby. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm on whatnot. I'm on Facebook. Why? To build a personal brand for me. Personal brand is instant leverage. Social media provides opportunity, and you have to be an idiot to open up a digital business without a social media. I mean, not an idiot. If you make it work, then you're not an idiot. I'm sorry. Social media is leverage. We live in a digital world, my nigga. $20 an hour is just not cutting it at all. My experience has been no growth. Just shallow dreams of making shallow of 6 figures. And I say, no more! No, I'll fail 1,000,000 times. Pretend you can read this. I'm starting in the underdog phase. And this underdog phase is amazing for social media. People don't want to see nobody come from nowhere and have it all. Boom! Why? Why would I choose you even if you're established? Okay, let me cook. Top-notch quality, amazing packaging and communication, same-day shipping, refurbished deals, licensure, consistent coupons and email lists. Our customers love steals. Even if we're losing money, it's okay. It's all gonna be okay. We save people time, money, and headaches. Simple. And I'm currently fine if I make 20K a year for the next 5 years because I know the opportunity is limitless, right? As long as I'm consistent, I can't lose. Simple. As long as you show up every day, you can't lose. You name one person that showed up every day and lost. And really, I don't care what you think. The opportunity is really out here. I refuse to fall into a system that every last one of you people fell into. You got good habits, you create good systems. With good systems, money becomes a byproduct. I'm already here, Doug. I'm already here. Just be consistent. You focus on the process, the outcome will come. Humans, we always strive for more, so why not strive for more with this? This is why I'm adding so much avenues and adding so much value to customers. You better be the real nigga, man. Real shit. Skinny bone ass. Boom! The future. Promise to God, I really love buying and flipping shit. The more I upload on YouTube, the more I just figure out what I love doing myself. I'm looking at myself hustle. I'm looking at myself do this. I'm looking at myself do that. And I just love this shit. I love it. Mywrld Property Management. I don't really know the full details, so as I'm speaking it, future me, if I'm dumb, let me know. We're gonna have a podcast. Pretend you can see that. We're gonna have a podcast and a clothing brand. This is what you call elevation and big dreams. So I'm gonna re-explain everything because I know for a fact that I went over this fast as hell. So number one, we are not resellers. I'm an operator. I'm a boss with a mission. I'm building a distribution warehouse where we sell workwear apparel, big appliances like washers and dryers, small kitchen appliances, and then tools and electronics. Areas we sell at is eBay, Whatnot, Walmart, Amazon, and Poshmark. Then we have a Mywrld distribution website, which we sell curated lots to businesses, wholesale pre-selling kits, one-to-one mentorships. Now, the ideal customer for us are homeowners, tradesmen, families, and hard workers. People as resellers, they source randomly. They think getting reps is cool, or we're not thinking there. What we're thinking is building relationships. Me personally going to global meetings to represent the brand. I mean, people is everything. The goal is to have a fast turnover. The standard with this type of business model is to have a YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Whatnot, Facebook. Doesn't matter how much followers. I don't really care about how much materialistic stuff is going on. Social media is leverage. Live in a digital world. AI is now killing the industrial life, and it's only going to get worse, honestly. And creating content is your marketing engine. It makes you irreplaceable. Okay, I'm going hard with this, and you won't stop me. As a man, you have to build value for yourself. With big appliances like washers, we figure out what's wrong with it, and then we fix, and then we flip it. We simply provide amazing deals like nobody else. Even live selling, okay? We sell things for $1 that really retails for $200. Could care less about losing money. It's all about the relationship. So I'm thinking about making a digital product for people, because I know for a fact how to build your store from 0 to 1 grand. I invested over $2,700 into myself, and I helped some people out. You feel what I'm saying? I always wanted to do plumbing, but I promise you it was just for the money. This isn't for the money. You could pay me $1 grand a month. I promise you, I will still do this. It's also the fact, like, this shows my work ethic. This shows what I got really inside of me. What I'm talking is all talk until results come. I'm 20 years old in my dad's basement. This is a 30-year game plan, okay? Mywrld distributions. Your world starts here. Let's eat. Damn. Nobody wants to see somebody come. Nobody wants to see somebody come. Nobody wants to see somebody. Nobody wants to see. Nobody wants to see. Nope. Bro, what the fuck? Nobody wants to see. No. I should just keep this in the video. Bro, what the fuck? Nobody wants to see nobody. Does that make sense? Nobody wants to see nobody. Nobody wants to see nobody. Nobody wants to see anybody. What the fuck? That's the end of the video. I'm putting this in the last. Like and subscribe. If you fucked with me, I fuck with you. Thank you for watching. I love you. Yeah, new video tomorrow.